Hey guys, Dr. Axe here. Today I want to show you how to make some banana muffins, one of my favorite recipes, but not just banana muffins, ones that are loaded with collagen and bone broth. You know, all of us should be getting more collagen and bone broth in our diets every single day because 1/3 of all the protein in your body is collagen protein. Your skin, your hair, your nails, your bones, your discs, your joints, your connective tissue, all of those are made up of collagen. And if you're not getting collagen in your diet every day, your health could be suffering because of it. So I'm gonna show you a great way to get more collagen and bone broth in your diet with this super healthy ingredients. I've also got one of my favorite brands here, Simple Mills. So I'm gonna start showing you what to use here as part of these ingredients. Now, I like Simple Mills for several reasons. Number one, they have a very short ingredient list. Everything they use is really healthy and clean, and they tend to be low in sugar. Look, right here on the front of the box says only 7 grams of sugar, 4 grams of protein, and the ingredients come from things like coconut sugar. Actually, main ingredient here is almond flour, coconut flour, banana, baking soda, sea salt. So what we can see here, a total of 7 ingredients, so really simple, really easy. That's why I picked this brand. Now again, there are other brands out there. You wanna look for when you're buying any type of, whether it's muffin mix, cookie mix, pancake mix, waffle mix, bread mix, whatever it is, you want it to be low in sugar. And if they're using sugar, you want to look for things like honey, dates, coconut sugar. You want to make sure it's all natural in what they're using. Okay, so we got this here. So we're going to start off here with using 1 box of this Simple Mills muffin mix. Okay, it's gonna be our first ingredient here we're gonna be adding in. All right, next thing we're gonna be adding in is bone broth protein. Remember I said we need to be getting some collagen in our diet, and if you wanna be getting some more collagen in your diet, then you wanna use bone broth protein. Now the other thing I love about this is the flavor of this is absolutely awesome in baking. In fact, I use this bone broth protein vanilla to not only make these muffins, I made pancakes the other day. In fact, I did this recipe with pumpkin and blueberries and vanilla, which was really, really good. Made waffles the other day with these. So again, you're gonna add in about 3 scoops of bone broth protein vanilla. Now I wanna just tell you this, just when you're adding in anything like a bone broth or collagen into a recipe mix, that the more you add, typically the more dense it gets. So 3 here is still gonna leave these muffins slightly fluffy. If you go 6, you're getting more bone broth, which is great. They just become more dense though, the muffins do. So you wanna go a little bit lighter there, 3 or just 1 if you only want a little bit, but I think 3 is a good amount. That way you're getting lots of collagen. All right, so we got the pancake mix, we've got the bone broth powder, protein powder in here. The next thing you're gonna add in is 2 organic eggs, ideally free-range eggs, okay? Now, eggs, you know, when you crack them open, ideally what you wanna see is a bright orange yolk. Now, people don't realize this about the yolk. The yolk is really where all the nutrients are. Now, the egg white has some protein, albumin in it, but the yolk has protein plus choline, vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, other types of antioxidants that are great for your eyes and your skin and your entire body. So lots of B vitamins. So we're talking eggs have so many nutrients in them, especially in the yolk, but it's really important when you're buying eggs, you wanna make sure that they're pasture-raised chickens, and ideally organic. Now, they're not always organic if you're buying them at your local farmer's market, but that's where you wanna be shopping, is your local health food store, local farmer's market, getting real eggs. The next thing we're gonna add in here, I've already warmed this up, is some coconut oil, okay? So we're gonna add in about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil here. Simply gonna pour that in. Okay, so the ingredients are, again, 1 full thing here of this Simple Mills brand, 3 scoops of bone broth protein, 2 pasture-raised eggs, and 2 things of coconut oil. And you know, coconut oil, I'm gonna go ahead and start making this mix here, but you know, coconut oil is really high in MCTs, that's medium chain triglycerides, okay? And medium chain triglycerides are really fantastic for a lot of reasons. Oh, one other thing I need to add in here. I'm like, why is this not mixing? Water, okay? So we're gonna add in a full 1 cup of water here into this mix here as well. Okay, so we got this water here. as we mix this. But again, coconut oil is great because MCTs, now there are different things in MCTs. One is called lauric acid, there's capric acid, capricilic acid. All of those ingredients actually have antimicrobial properties. So even sometimes if people are struggling with gut issues, coconut oil is one of the best things that you can use there because it is antimicrobial in nature there as well. So, okay, and let me say this too, with this recipe, this is just one of the many recipes you can make. Again, this took, you can see here, this took almost no time to put together. Again, with this recipe, it says you throw it in the oven at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes, and you've got some really healthy muffins here. And this is great for kids. Think about if you're a parent watching this and you've got kids at home, you know, how much collagen and bone broth are they getting in their diet every day? You know, our ancient ancestors, they got bone broth in their diet every single day. I mentioned this earlier, 1/3 of the protein in your body is made up of collagen, and around 70% of your skin, hair, and nails. If you have skin issues, hair issues, nail issues, it could be a collagen deficiency. If there's gut issues, digestion, sometimes there's a lack of collagen in your diet, joint issues, you know, and think about how important, you may not realize this, there is more collagen in your bones than calcium. So to me, getting collagen in your diet is equally as important as certain minerals. In fact, there's more collagen in your bones than calcium, magnesium, and all minerals put together. All right, so this muffin mix is almost ready. I'm actually gonna try the muffins. So we pre-made these as well, and I'm a huge fan of this mix. I've had it before. I'm gonna have a bite here, let you know how it is. These are really, really awesome. The thing I love about them is you can taste the banana, you can taste the vanilla, and it really doesn't change the recipe flavor that much. In fact, if anything, it just adds a little bit of a hint of vanilla, a little bit richer flavor. But the thing I can tell you is your kids will love these. You will love these. This is a great snack to bring to the work or the office. Whether you're gonna eat them all yourself or share them with coworkers, it's a healthy treat. Post-workout, do these for breakfast. Again, snack in the afternoon. You should be getting more collagen in your diet. This is a great way to do it with simple, easy muffins like this. You're simply going to use a muffin pan here and just put them in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes on 350. It's that easy to make this recipe. And again, so I love adding this to pancakes I make, waffles, bread recipes. I love just adding this to oatmeal. There are so many different things you can add as an ingredient to this as an ingredient to, and by doing so, you're getting lots of collagen, glucosamine, chondroitin, hyaluronic acid, and all of these nutrients that our ancient ancestors thrived off of. So I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to make these healthy banana muffins using bone broth protein by Ancient Nutrition, muffin mixed by Simple Mills. They've got so many great things there as well. And hey, if you want to learn more about how to make some healthy recipes, make sure to check out my YouTube channel. I've got some more videos on there. Thanks for watching.